How do you find perpendicular lines in GED math? Imagine you're trying to draw two lines that meet at a perfect right angle. How do you know if they are perpendicular? Well, in coordinate geometry, it all comes down to their slopes. When lines are perpendicular, their slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. That means if one line has a slope of 2, the other must have a slope of negative 1/2. If one slope is 3, the other should be negative 1/3. It's like flipping the fraction and changing the sign. To find the slope of a line, look at its equation. If the equation is in slope-intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus b, then the number in front of x is the slope. If it's not in that form, you can rearrange the equation to solve for y. For example, if you have 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, you can subtract 2x from both sides to get 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 6. Then divide everything by 3 to get y is equal to plus frac 2 3x plus 2. Now, the slope is negative 2/3. Once you have the slope of the first line, find its negative reciprocal. For a slope of m, the perpendicular slope is e plus frac 1m. So if the slope is e plus frac 2 3, the perpendicular slope will be plus frac 3 2. If the slope is a whole number like 4, the perpendicular slope becomes plus frac 1 4. Now, if you want to write the equation of a line that is perpendicular and passes through a specific point, use the point-slope form. That's y1 is equal to m x1. Here, x1, y1 is your point and m is the perpendicular slope you just found. For example, if your point is 3, 5 and the perpendicular slope is plus frac 1 2, then the equation becomes y5 is equal to plus frac 1 2 x3. You can expand and simplify this to get it into slope-intercept form if needed. Remember, the key is understanding the relationship between the slopes. Perpendicular lines always multiply to give -1. So, if you find the slope of one line, just flip it, change the sign, and you have the slope of the line perpendicular to it. This trick works whether you're working with equations in slope-intercept form or standard form. In GED math, being able to quickly identify and work with slopes makes solving problems involving perpendicular lines much easier. Practice rearranging equations and finding slopes, and you'll be ready to handle these questions confidently.